What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 13 live cop. So clearly I'm missing something this week. I'm actually not really feeling this week, and I'm sorry. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate, even though last week was probably my most hated video I've ever made on YouTube, at least. But I'm just not feeling this drop. I'm just not really feeling this drop. Maybe because it's not my teams. However, I will say that the bullet shorts are absolutely insane. I guess that one singular item carries this whole drop. Clearly we're gonna be going for those. I guess we can just jump right into what we should go for. So obviously the number one most hyped item is going to be the tape. Hopefully you can get both. I don't see why not, and I'm assuming it's going to be multi-quantity. So we're going to try to get both those tapes, go back super quickly, and then get the bullet shorts in one cart. I'm assuming the shorts are going to sell out. Maybe the tape will, but there's no way we're going to be able to get all three of those items, but we're still going to try into the one singular cart. And if the shorts sell out, guys, don't worry, I'm still checking out on the tape. I know I usually get free shipping, but this is the 1 week I'm making the exception and I will pay shipping. And then I really only think there was a couple other things I want to talk about. I do kind of want to go for the water shorts, but if I'm only going to try to get those if I can get free shipping, those are not to sell. I actually need those for myself. I just found like an old pair that I had, which was still brand new in the plastic, and had no idea that it resold for so much money. I didn't really like those, and they were small, and I'd rather have a medium. So I did end up selling those, and now I feel like I'm just going to use the money to buy these for myself and hopefully a medium if it doesn't sell out. I don't think it will. So that's a random thing we're going to try to go for. And then there's been a lot of talk about these fitteds, but I'm just not seeing it. Maybe we'll try to get one with the water shorts depending on what goes wrong. The jackets are just extremely expensive, so I don't really want to go for them, even though who knows, they might resell, but I'm just not really looking to spend that much money. And then with the jerseys as well being 300, I think we're going to sit those out. I might try to get the headbands just so like I get something, and like I said, I'm trying to get free shipping, so if we need it I might try to throw in a headband. And then surprisingly, that's like literally it, because there wasn't really too much I want to talk about on the Mitchell Ness stuff, because it just wasn't anything that I wanted. The Jumbo Mask keyring though is fire. I would like to go for that, but I just found out that it's $400, so we are not going to go for that. So yeah, not that crazy of a week. I know the entire internet loves this drop, but I'm just not seeing it. It's not really anything I want to go for, so we're just going to sit it out. So let the hate comments roll in, but also while you're doing that, I guess let me know how you're feeling about this drop. Like, is this really one of the best Supreme collabs? Because I'm just not seeing it. I've been seeing so much love on the internet though. I just can't believe it. I had to go back and look at everything dropping to see if I was missing something. And like I said, the shorts are sick, but I feel like that one singular item is carrying the whole drop. But I'm kind of running out of time, so that's enough talking. But before we start the live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You could also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be on the screen and the description down below. I also have a playlist with a bunch of other live cops because I don't really think we're gonna be spending that much money today. So if you want to see some better live cops, make sure you check out that playlist. That will also be linked down below or on my channel. But all right, we're really running out of time, so let's jump right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. So last week was the Salem drop. I'm still super upset about this hoodie. I should have just went for it. I don't know what I was thinking. You guys definitely let me know in the comments that I should have went for that. So my apologies for not going for that. I actually didn't even check market. I think I even said I wanted to do that before I started this video, but whatever. I'm assuming it's a ton of money. And we got 30 seconds left until the drop, but we should be getting 2 carts. Hopefully the tape and the shorts do not sell out. We got less than 10 seconds. So hopefully this loads quickly. I'm just going to try to get the shorts, go back and get the tape. So let's see here. And we are live. It's 11. Did not load yet. There we go. Where are the shorts? Gonna try to go back and get this tape. Clicked on the wrong one. All right, sick. Multi-quantity. Dang, that did not add. Oh, it did it. All right, we even got free shipping if we can actually get through on this. This is probably gonna throw me off here. Like I already clicked the wrong one first, right off rip. Okay, we actually got right through. I just misclicked one time. How bad is this queue? No queue is crazy. Come on. Come on, come on. Are we really about to get this right now? I feel like there's no way. There's no way. No way. I'm actually super hyped, guys, that we got that. Watch those shorts probably aren't even gonna resell, so I'm hyped for no reason. But all right, we're going back now. I do want the water short. I feel like there's no way these are gonna sell out. Okay, ding. Oh yeah, I did say I needed a medium. For some reason I thought that was gonna be a number size, and it kind of threw me off. So I kind of feel like I want to get this, like just to like have this. I feel like this isn't gonna do any sort of resell. Wow, tape is sold out. Can we try to get the red? I can't even remember which one people wanted on this. I feel like I'm wasting money on these hats, but we're just gonna try to check out because I feel like that tape is probably gonna sell out. Why do I always misclick right there? I almost kind of feel like I wish I could take those hats. Okay, tape is sold out, but we still got free shipping. And then we should get right through on this. And we did. I can't believe those hats were $78. That was kind of like an impulse buy, I'm not gonna lie to you. And for some reason, I don't know why I thought my total would be a lot less. I added both of them because I was still trying to get the free shipping. I only needed one, so I really did not have to do that at all. But all right, let's go back now. This was like the main thing I was trying to explain in the beginning that I actually did really like, but I do not want to spend $500. Like, I don't want to get this to resell. I actually kind of wanted this for myself, I can't lie, but did not want to spend $500 on it. I think this is a banger though. I do actually like that item, even though I did just talk down to this entire collab. All right, let's see what else. I think that was pretty much everything there is to talk about. Are the bullet shorts gone? They're not gone. I thought for sure they were gonna sell out. Clearly I was tripping. No one was feeling those. And the tape did sell out. Was this actually $400? So we knew that the tape did sell out, but we were able to get 8 of them. So that's actually sick. And I didn't think that these would sell out. I just, like I said, want to go for those to get the free shipping. So I'm not even worried about my second cart, and those are still there, obviously, like I thought as well. Let me refresh right before I end this. So not really anything from the Mitchell and Ness sold out. Not even the jerseys, which is kind of wild. Full size run. I mean, it's got to be probably because it's $300. All right, what else is there? Shorts still here. These shorts are still here. Not a single thing from the Mitchell and Ness sold out. So was I wrong? And I also feel like they haven't done a headband in a while, which is kind of why I wanted to get these. These are probably mainly just gonna be like sort of like a decoration for the store. I mean, for $36, you can't really go wrong. But the hats definitely were an impulse buy. I already forgot which ones I got. I don't even remember now. Okay, so the shorts did actually sell out, so that's a good thing at least. So I guess we could end the screen recording here. That was super quick. I don't even know. Oh yeah, that was only 5 or 6 minutes, so I could end the screen recording right now. And that's gonna do it for my Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 13 live cop. I'm actually super happy with what we got. I know I didn't get the tape the second time, but I can't complain because I was able to get 4 rolls of both colors and the shorts in the same cart, so that's a win for me. I know the shorts didn't sell out right away, but still a W for me. And then second cart, I'm not really too worried that none of that stuff sold out. We were trying to just get the free shipping, and I'm not really too worried about it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys are feeling this drop and if you guys picked up anything from this drop. Like I said, I really wasn't feeling this collab minus these shorts and the Astros jacket, like I said at the beginning. And it kind of looks like maybe other people weren't feeling it as well because nothing sold out besides the bullet shorts. But at least for now, because it's only 11:06 and things could change. But before I go, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You could also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be in the description down below. And I also have a playlist with a bunch of other live cops on the channel if you want to check that out as well. Thank you guys so much for the support, and don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop. Lastly, if you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.